What up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube family? Smash that button. What up, TikTok, YouTube? Let's cook, my dudes. Let's connect, brothers. Let's connect. Let's connect. Because I think that's cool. I'd go to YouTube, but I'm lazy, bro. It's better. What up, Frank? Big Paul. Doey. Pez. Damn, we got the whole gang here. All right. We got the whole gang here. Okay. We cooking. We cooking, my dudes. Pretty obvious level that we have here. All right, breaks below. Was nearly a really clean type 2 here based on the 15, but didn't want to play ball, which is fine. So if this candle can close red, I'll put my break above level here. If this candle can close red, I'll put my break above level here. But for now, let's just wait till this candle closes, and that's what's up. BBO Drizzy. BBO Drizzy. Yeah, I had an order there as well, Frank, but cancelled it. Nice spotting though. Good to notice it. What up, Basic? Big gains this morning. Yeah, I just gone aggressive on this account a couple times today just to get it done. Since Bullinox has a, their discount and shit. No, I didn't. I know that Bitcoin, yeah, had a pop. And I haven't eaten all day, so I got Guzman on the way. When you haven't eaten all day, get Guzman on the way. Passed my second top step last night, thank God. Nice, Basic. Sick. So yeah, so if you notice that there's obviously a level below these, like a support level here, right? But I know to the left-hand side, there's a really key level a bit lower. I'll show you. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I could bring it up there. Yeah, it's about there. I'm basing it on this. Oh, shit. Sorry, TikTok. I'll get rid of that other chart. That's annoying. Wow, that's really annoying. Yeah, so you'd want a strong breakout. We don't want any pussy breakouts. Oh, it is push. It is popping. Interesting. Interesting. Wow, look at that. I didn't expect that, to be honest. I only need, what do I need, bro? I only need $165 to pass this challenge. I just need a little ratty scalp and I can pass this challenge. Bro, somebody put a rat fucking emoji in the Discord. Because we were saying we're a ratty scalp. I was saying I was a ratty scalper. If I reset my account on Bullinox, will I be charged again for the subscription in 1 week? No, it's a monthly payment, the subscription is. It's a monthly thing. Could get some sort of little wick fill here. I think I might be interested in this. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. What does a 1 hour look like? What does a 4 hour look like? Pretty key level, right? If this can flip red, I might enter a sell. Small lot size. These ranges are deceptively big. It's 40 pip stop, pretty much. Hey dude, what trade is it? What up, Mitch? Yeah, I just need a ratty little 160 to pass this challenge. The market's been tough today, the way it's moving, or for gold at least. It's just like, man, the last couple of weeks on gold is just so wild. It's just so fucking wild, right? Wild things. But what are you gonna do? Bitcoin, let's have a look at Bitcoin. People keep saying something about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's going up. BBL Jersey. Yeah, I know it's monthly, but if I reset the failed account, then the date of the subscription will change, or will it be charged? It definitely won't be charged twice. I would say it'd probably it'd just stay from when you purchase the actual original account. That's when the subscription would continue on, regardless of how many times you reset it. Are you losing trading? Come join me, link in bio. I never get you traders that promote your shit in other traders' streams. Imagine if like all my numbers dropped off. Everyone's like, what? Some trader in the chat just told me to go join his stream? In the Beninging. What do you think gold will go this year? Yeah, who knows? Broski. Who knows skis? What prop firm you work with? None. I have in the past, but I don't enjoy working with prop firms and shit. Can you show off your recent trades? Yes. I took an L on I had my funded accounts linked. I took a small L this morning over here. Had this breakout level here. We broke out with a small to no top wick, which wasn't too much of a concern, but it did what I wanted, which was it broke up first. Like it created a top wick and then created a bottom wick and then went to push again and then wasn't ready again and went back down. Like I would have taken that trade every day. It was just unfortunate. And because the ranges are so big, my stop loss was kind of like there. And then obviously after that, it flipped back up and just casually moved up 500 pips. All good. All good. Didn't feel all good. Oh, what? You tapped me out and then moved 500 pips in my direction? All good. Nah, it's all good. Looks like I'm eating noodles again tonight. Oh, wow. More people are promoting. Unbelievable. When I fail a combine, I just delete the account and open a new one. Bullinox payout in decent time. Yep. Took the same loss, gave it a second chance for a win. Nice, Keepy. I was going to give it a second chance, but in hindsight, I probably could have. But, it was coming up to around 4.5 minutes before it was going to close. And it was a 30-minute closure as well. And I was like, But it did take off, yeah. So nice that you were able to get that one again. Where we have your stops if you get activated. I guess just back up in this range. It's not ideal. I kind of don't want to be in this trade. I don't want it to flip red. But we'll see. What up, Omega? Noodles again. Also took that loss. Yeah, I think a lot of people it was a good trade. It just sticked around a little bit, I guess. It just donged around a little bit. If this green candle retests. Marius, what is up? What is up? The Onshan Ford, what up? What up? Oh, look at this flipping red over here.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm triggered. Trigonometry. So my shit will go up here above this resistance. I'm just looking for a bit of a wick fill. Nice pop there.
Order filled.
Yes! Oh, bro! I'm $14 away from passing this stupid challenge. God damn it. Dubs in the chat, but that was clean. Did you guys take that? Because I did say warning, like I kind of don't want it to flip. So I thought that might have scared some of you guys off. Wow, look at this, you guys. Sheesh. Nice. Oh, look at you guys all caught this. Damn. Okay. Nice. It made sense. This is just our typical, like, this is just a straight up type 1 setup. This is just a straight up type 1 setup over here. Let me get some footage to make me look cool. Let me look cool. Just took a breakout trade here with the whole gang. Dubs in the chat. Nice. Pretty textbook. Level, broke out, retest, push, bang. Had a wick to fill. Nice. BBL Drizzy came through with the goods on that one, gang. Damn. Okay. I took it just before you took. Yeah, nice. Perfect breakout. Yep. Nice. Okay. Am I pissed that I've still got $14 to pass my challenge? Yes. But that's the dicey roll. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a like and a subscribe for the channel here. I only got 31 likes and 4 million people have watched the stream so far. Live every day over here, putting my life on the line for you guys. 60 tick dub. Did you catch 60 ticks there, Perry? Hot damn. What leverage should I use? I have $10 to invest. Brother. You know what that trade calls for? Just a quick sharpen up. Just sharpen the edges of the nail a little bit. That's all. Yeah, nice. Okay. I'm still in. Wow, you're still in. Okay. Yeah, 60. Fucking hell, Perry. Yeah, nice. Okay, well, I'm glad that you guys were able to capitalize on that. I'm still the cost of a coffee away from passing my challenge. Oh my god, if I pass this challenge, my life's gonna change. I need this. But yeah, make sure you guys drop a like for the stream, bros. It really helps the algorithm. Smash that fucking... You know what I mean? Oh, 51 likes. Nice. I passed my FCMO challenge. Good on you. Good stuff, King. Beautiful. Wasn't this bloke on maths? Yes, this bloke was on maths. There's a difference between candle... There's a difference between candle, wicks, Exynos, zero spread, which broker... I'm not sure, brother. I just use prop firms. I just loaded 10k in my account, putting all my savings on you from now on. No, don't do that. I don't suggest you do that. We're just little ratty scalpers, man. Do you have any tips for scalping? Yep, just do everything I tell you. Wow, look at this dropping over here. I wonder if anyone's still holding. Wow, it's dropped 150 pips since that point, since like a fucking couple minutes ago. Do you have a Discord or mentorship? Yep. If you click the link in my bio, you'll see all my shit. You'll see all of the links to my shit in my bio. My bro. I'm 2k away passing my 50. I've had it for 2 weeks. Nice, golden. $14 for a coffee as well. This live is not eligible for recommended researchers results because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. What? This is in line with the 4-year eligibility standards. Wow, so it looks like TikTok's not going to recommend my thing because apparently it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. Bruh! Even TikTok thinks, hey, is this pre-recorded? What? Wow. Even TikTok is freaking cooked. Well, I guess, yeah, we're getting some major pullbacks here on gold for the first time in like, since 2025. You know, if we do a bit of measurement here, since yesterday, we've dropped 2,000 pips. We've dropped 2,000 pips since yesterday. And that's crazy. TikTok's a hater, bro. They're not recommending my video. They're not recommending the live now because of just an error in their own system. Isn't that unbelievable? And restricting in search results because it contains unoriginal. This is in line with the feed you eligibility standards. Yeah, if my numbers go too far down here on TikTok, I'm just going to, I'd suggest you come over to YouTube and I'll continue the stream over there because I'm live on YouTube right now. I'm still in. Wow. Okay. What's the best free indicator for buying and selling? Do you know Smart Raja concept? Yes. Where's my burrito? Are you losing? Bro, you're trying to promote your signals, but you can't even spell English properly. Are you losing trading? Come join my Telegram. Don't you hit TP yet? Yes. So I was just aiming for a wick fill, but that wick got all sorts of shit. Brucey, I'm using something called Bullinox Prop Firm. You have to make yourself a burrito. It's very easy. I haven't got time. I haven't got time. Oh, it didn't break out on Forex? Load. I blew my account this morning. I feel like shit now. I'll tell you something in a second, bro, about that. Chart mind. What do you mean it didn't break out? It broke out, brother. It broke out, my dude. So, I don't know what you're looking at. Anyone ever told you you look like the guy out of the Wolf of Wall Street, the penny stocks guy scene? Damn it, I know this is going to be bad because the only penny stock guy scene I can think of is dudes that don't look good. Wolf of Wall Street. Really, bro? Really, bro? Hairline. Anyway, I guess you just got to take it on the chin. That's just how the world works, I guess. In the Beninging. All right, you guys. Actually, I'll keep it up for a little bit. What up, Graph? I'm not prepared to risk any more today, bro. Perry, you just caught 60 motherfucking pips. I'd be, yeah. I don't blame you, bro. I'd be chilling. All right, you guys on TikTok, I'm going to close this down because TikTok's just cooked me. But if you want to continue to stream with us, I'm live on YouTube right now. Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. So I'll catch you guys there. We'll see if we catch another trade here. Gang. BBO Jersey. Yeah, let's see what we can do over here. Watched some Raja yesterday evening. Nice. Do you look for a long trade? Bro, it just dropped 200 pips aggressively. I'm not looking for longs. Yeah, it's futures S. It's called Bullinox. All I need is the money that I paid for my burrito is all I need to put on this account to pass it. So if I can get a burrito trade, I should be good. Sweet Pez. I won 60 ticks in the beninging of the... How did you stop loss too low? How many pips was your stop loss? My stop loss was... So this... We had that level that broke out, right? This red candle here. Stop loss goes back above this range. This what was once support. And then it pushed. It didn't even reject at all. Like once we were in profits, we just stayed in profits. So I don't know how your stop loss got hit. I could have just scalped a buy there then. Yeah, and you could have also scalped one there, and also there and there, but also up here you could have caught a buy and then a sell here. But everything is cool in hindsight after it's moved. Offer a burrito Bullinox. I'll email them. I'll be like, sir, I know I'm really close to passing this, but can you just activate it for me? I'll give you a burrito if you do. Bullinox payout rules are pretty as fuck. Bullinox payout rules are just simply you need 10 days of trading. If you've got a 100k account, you need to have 3,100 as the base point. So anything above that is cool. You always need 3,000 as like your base. Your first 3 payouts can only be 1,750. So what I do is I trade for 10 days, get my 1,750, trade for another 10 days, do it again and again and again for 3 times. And then after that, you got infinite amount you can withdraw. Drizzy! Raj. But you won 14 bucks, my bro. Just scalp. Okay, but so if I just scalp and press a buy now and then it goes down, then that $14 is now $50. But just scalp, bro. But that's what I'm here to do. But I can't just predict what the market's going to do. I need to use data. My data tells me when a certain thing happens, the probability of it playing out in my direction is higher. So I need to wait for that. What about 50k down? It'd be the same rules, Kelvin, but just less amount, like half the amount. So I would assume that the base amount you need is like 1,500. And then, yeah, it's just half everything. But you still need the 10 days of trading. What's your next move? Just wait. I'll wait for this candle to close, see what it wants to do. What up, John? We just caught a nice sell over here. Oh, that was an hourly closure as well. Wow. Yeah. You know what pisses me off? When trading groups give signals, but they win like 10 pips. Like, wow. Yeah, 10 pips is okay, though. But yeah, it's just... Yeah, I don't know. No, not 10 green days, just 10 trading days. Just 10 trading days. They don't have to be green. This 4 hours still open. Because you got to remember, like I'll get plenty of 10 pip trades. It's just in accordance to the size that you use. So 10 pips with a decent amount of size is it's fine. Do you also take into consideration pairs that are somewhat correlated to gold? No, not at all, golden clips. Not at all. Less is more. Less is more. If I've already got a winning system, then yeah, I won't confuse myself at all unnecessarily. I know that there's a lot of guys that do that, but but yeah, I'm just not interested personally. Yeah, sure, Panda. Panda, have you put a form in for the waitlist? Yeah, or you could do what Graf said. Is the mentorship tomorrow? What's today? Is today Wednesday? Friday. But what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be reaching out to people individually. Like I've got a team that's helping me reach out to people because we've got a few different offers. So it's not like the mentorship doors are going to open, everyone's going to flood in. We're going to be like speaking to people individually, so everyone gets catered specifically. In terms of what I'm looking for here, I'm just waiting for this candle to form a little bit more. I want to see how it looks like. Where is it going to close? Is it going to go? Is it going to head back up into the range? Is it going to close down below this range? I want to see what this candle wants to do. What up, Chris? Let's connect. Connect, guys. At Commodity Traders Forex, connect. God damn it, why do we come to this fucking stupid meetup at a mall? Yeah, there's different offers, Mitch. Where's your chair? I stand now. I stand. My feet are like so sore from all the standing, but it's just better than sitting. I can't be sitting down so long. So long. Yeah, sitting down and stream for hours on end, it's just like, and I also sit down a lot for work. Billions and billions. Connect. Commodity. So what do we got? 5 minutes for this candle. Where the fuck's my burrito? Where's the person that's getting paid minimum wage to deliver me one burrito on a bike? You need one of them desk treadmills. Connect, bro. Why gold crashing all of a sudden? I don't know. It's just a value of shit goes up and down. It's just normal. What does your setup look like, brother? Not like if you guys see my setup, you'd be like, what the fuck? It's not anything special. It's not anything special. Nice trade today, Errol. Good description. I like how you described the trade and what you were looking for. Did I need to take 4 flip days? Did you actually trade on flip day? What the fuck's a flip day? Did I need to take 4 flip days? Do you actually trade on flip days? China and US agreed on trade stuff. Ah, okay, nice. Yeah, awesome. It's awesome to see. You do a flip, then trade. As in a backflip? Like an actual flip? Oh, wow, Chris. Sheesh. Do we got to do? Yeah, today's been pretty nice and zesty. That push was like a good trade. Like we got a really nice trade here, you guys. The only thing that like kind of threw a spanner in the works a little bit was the fact that this candle closed with no bottom wick. But you know, the new one opened up and created a tiny bit of a bottom wick, which was kind of cool. but we'll see. Oh, well, we won't see it because we already took it and it played out. Connect. You got me twisted. Did you close the TikTok live? Yes. Maybe I'll start it again. Maybe I'll start my TikTok live again and see if it chills out. Good thinking. Yeah, they tried to say it's unoriginal content or something. Like, bruh, what? Flip day, example, you have 10 days to make a payout, but hit target in 6. Oh, hang on, I'll read that in a sec. Flip the script. Yeah, we'll see what's up with TikTok again, I guess. So what do we got? A minute before this candle closes. Okay, for example, you have 10 days to make a payout, but you hit target in 6 days with consistency. Then the next 4 days, you don't need to make any money, but you need to trade. You can do that. Yeah, it's all personal preference. I don't know. I just don't think about it too much. Just trade. Do what you would normally do, I guess. Which is trade. Trade is trade, dude. I prefer TikTok. I prefer the world. Where your trade? We took a sell over here. We, as in me, but yeah, sell here. Oh, I do need to journal that as well. Let me take a quick screenshot. Took a wick fill trade here. Make sure you guys journal that trade if you took it as well. That's why I don't suggest people take trades just because I am. I'm like, you know, when you journal it, you want to make sure it makes sense to you as well. Not just because some dude told you to connect, dude. Connect, bro. Where's my burrito? I'm paying you $4 to deliver it on a fucking bicycle, and you're taking too long. I did the form, got the email, and now just waiting for the next. Ah, nice panda. Okay, sick. Yep. We'll catch you. We'll get you. All right, so this candle's closed over here. I sent you an invite on Discord, bro. I won't accept that. Oh, it's a clean buy. Okay, bro. Wow, look at that volume that just impulsively pushed down there. So this candle's been open for 30 seconds and already moved 50 pips. Huh? Yeah, these coffees just haven't been hitting lately. What's a 30 look like? Nothing. Ah, nice, Izzy. Yo. Carolina, good to see you. I'm doing amazing. Hope you're doing well. Hope you are doing well. Does your mentorship starts tomorrow? So the mentorship, I'll start intaking people individually. Like, it's not like we're going to open the doors and everyone's just going to flood in. It will, like, I'll be reaching out to people individually, and so will my team. I won't be a weirdo and eat this fully on the stream, but I'll have a little nibble. Any tips for not chasing trades? So I'm assuming you mean revenge trading. Chris, in terms of getting funded, he's connecting with the burrito. Connect burrito. The burrito's connected with my freaking stomach. Yeah, I've got to get new music. I just haven't got around to it. Emails, Panda. Do you get a million scammers contacting you on the daily? Yes. How do we get the mentorship program? There's a link in my bio. Yeah, there's a link in my bio. Have you seen the BitConnect meme? What's BitConnect? Link in bio. Cool.
We haven't met. Nice to meet you.
Bio,
What do you guys do?
Full-time trading.
Full-time trading?
Yeah.
What markets?
Forex and commodities.
Lovely. Where's my commodity? All right, there you go. Connect. All right, doesn't matter. Connect. Connect. Doesn't matter. Connect. Connect.
Oh, his face never gets old. The nervous dude's face. Die! Die, I guess. Shit. Why did I come here? Connect.
Doesn't matter. Connect. Connect.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how nervous you are, bro. You came to this mall. Now connect, motherfucker. Yeah. Didn't see that one, did you? What's your bias? Just waiting for the market to print a little bit more, see if it gives us any clues. You know, if it prints up there and then the next one breaks below here, I could be interested in another breakout. expressed. I don't know what the difference is, Jay. I'm not super sure. In top step when you pass. Oh, when you pass combine. Okay, there's no consistency to make. Yeah, you need like 3 days of $200 profits. That's it. Ah, nice, Tommy. Good to have you here. Oh, Blue, you just got that stuck in my head again. I've been thinking about it on the sly. You guys have no idea how sore my feet and legs are from standing so much. But it just has to be done. I'll get used to it eventually, I think. No, that's not true, Jay. That's a false statement. That's a false statement planted by the Illuminati to sway the masses. Bro, I'm fucking cold. Outfit switch. It's too cold, man. Bro, somebody said that dude made a video of me. Simon, you said that dude made a video of me doing the gritty. Do you remember his TikTok name? I want to enter with you. Kind of sounded zesty. What up, Mikasa? Yeah, that's what I mean, Jay. That's not true. You just need 3 days of $200 or 5 days of $200. Marius. Yeah, that's right. Delta, the new support level's here now. Just trade and connect, yeah, that's true. That should be the only focus. Let's connect the bridge. Ordinary. Look how big this hoodie is. I'm gonna do the rest of this. I love the view. I love you. Thank you. I made it myself. Years of hard work paid off. Gap needs to be filled. Bro, nothing needs to happen. Nothing needs to happen. The market could literally just explode. Nothing needs to happen. It's detected the live didn't appear on the screen in the last 2 minutes. Bro, what are you talking about, TikTok? I'm an island boy. Island boy. Bro's living the dream. Bro is living the dream, actually. Bro, oh, do you know what happened to Bro today? All right, do you know what happened to Bro the other day? Bro got fired from his job. Bro got fired from his job yesterday. And here's the interesting thing. So I've been making more from trading than my job for a while now. And people are always like, dude, why don't you stop trading? Why don't you stop working? I'm like, well, I don't really need to stop because I work from home. I enjoy the people I work with. I have a great job. It doesn't require too much from me. And I was like, you know, so I don't need to do it. But the more I get involved in like building a community and trading and making content, I'm like, fuck, man, it's really actually quite difficult to focus on both. Anyway, because I've been putting more effort into like the community and just trading and shit like that, my performance at work has started to obviously fucking, you know, take a hit. And they've obviously picked up on that and they've said stuff before. And I've just completely lost it, like with work, lost like my efforts for work. And they kind of just put me on, they didn't fire me, they kind of put me on the spot and just said like, man, you need to really step it up. And I basically said, you know what, bro, I'm actually done and I'm going all in on trading. I'm an island boy. I could be homeless in a week, but I fucking know that I won't be because I fucking already make more than my job. So your boy's going all in. Alhamdulillah. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Crazy, bro. I haven't even put much thought into it because I'm like, I don't want to think about it too much because then I'll make it a big deal in my head and I just want to just continue to do what I was doing. Just trade. Just do exactly what you're doing. Don't worry about it too much. And it's all good. So congratulations. Thank you guys. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's so fucking crazy. So crazy. Because like I said, I'd already been making money more than my job through trading, but it's still like, it's the safety thing of like, oh, my job, like this is my thing, right? And I just can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. And I know even not working there now, I can focus so much more on trading, so much more on community and just everything, man. And content creation and just hyper focused. Congratulations, Daniel. You can see. Thank you, Caroline. I appreciate you. Yeah, crazy, man. Crazy. Yep, content will get better. I'll be punching out longer format YouTube videos. Yeah, it's going to be wild, but it's always the thing of like, it's always the thing of leaving the nest. And even if I do go homeless, I know how to pull money out of the air. That's the crazy thing about this. Even if I go homeless, I actually learned a skill where I can pull money out of air. So I'm willing to hit rock bottom because I know regardless, I know how to pull money out of air. You know what I mean? But wow, yeah, crazy. Crazy. When you do something you want, you give it 110%. You do something because you have to. Yep. You can always deliver for burritos for $4 an hour. That's true. Yeah. What was the gig? The gig was I was a business development manager for a gas company. Great job. Like dream job. Dream job. And I could have continued to work there easily and been happily fine and, you know, just plodded along. But it's not fair to them either, where I'm giving like a bitch ass effort at work and putting all my soul into what I'm doing outside of work. It's not like, yeah, I'm not working in a factory or doing any hard labor or anything. I had a great job, man. I had a lot of people's dream job. And I got paid well as well. But it's like God was like, in order for me to get to this point, I started making like a lot of changes in my life and my routine that was almost kind of setting me up for being able to handle this situation. My routine's insane, bro. Like my routine's hella sharp. And if my routine falls off track, you guys will see me streaming from under a bridge, homeless. And you'll be like, huh, why is Daniel under a bridge now? Oh, his routine cracked. But that'll never happen. That'll never happen. Check Discord. Oh no. Do you know how to Muzz? Absolutely not, but I do know how to Gritty. This is autism at its finest. Right, pull it. No, I can move it. Oh, the insecurity. The insecurity. Yep. Oh, I can dance. Right, Hood, they were paying me up because I was doing this. Oh my god. Gritty. Bro. You know, that's actually fucking hilarious. Yeah, we'll see. If it flips and closes red, top 10, that's not a bad idea. Not gonna lie, bro. TJR are my favorite trading mentors. Ah, sick. Hell yeah. In the Beninging. There's different levels, DR, so I would suggest you just, put your details in, we'll reach out. Anybody wants to learn the strategy that I use every day live on stream, there's a link in my bio. I would suggest you click that and you'll see what's up over there. Just drop your email, we'll reach out to you. Now this is Brisbane. Bro, do you know how fucking crazy that is? I don't have a job. If I meet a chick out, she's like, what do you do? I'm like, I don't have a job. Really? Yeah. But I do know how to pull money out of air. But yeah, wow. Wow. Gordon Ramsay. Wow, fuck me. Just do it. Probs don't leave with no job. I can't help it. I can't lie. What do you do? I don't have a job. How much is health insurance with no job? I don't know. I don't have a job. Couldn't tell you the difference. Could not tell you the difference of anything. Yep, beautiful. That's exactly what it is, Kiwi. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. It's the most accurate thing of all time. How come you don't have a job, Daniel? Because I made enough money through trading, and then my job said, hey, you've been bad at work, and I said, fuck it, I'm out. I'm going all in on trading. I'm going all in on trading. Which is just a crazy thing to say and do, but your boy's doing it. Your boy is living the example. Maybe I can lead by example. Okay, put it this way, you guys. If I'm not in a month's time, if I'm not streaming from under a bridge, you can say, wow, that Daniel guy actually did it. And if he can do it, so can I. But I've got enough data there with my trading to already know that I can do it. Like I've been making enough through trading for a while, but it's the safety. It's the, oh, should I leave? It's my little nest, right? Thinking too much, Dan. Just relax. Really, bro? You quit your job then? Dan, you're thinking too much. Just relax. You quit your job. I pay $2,700 a week for rent. I pay $2,700 a month for rent. $1,000 a month for my car. A couple of other bills that probably equal, like things that I pay that probably equal $500 a month, and all the other shit. Nah, I'm actually not stressed. I'm obviously happy. I'm happy because this is a big moment. But yeah, I've watched that interview, Far Gang Trader. It's mad. I said, what do you do? I'm an island boy. Congrats. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Hi, what do you do? I'm a homeless boy. I live under a bridge. I got no fucking job, but I still pull money out of the air. 2K a month. I finna move to Australia. Yeah, finna move to Australia. Yeah, hardest thing was learning to take an L. Exactly. Like, look at me, for example. I took an L in the Asia stream, and then I just closed the account, locked myself out. I'll come back to that account tomorrow. What up, Shane? Type shit. Yeah, Graph. Quit / got fired. I've been thinking about it for a while, and today was the official day. So, big man things. MC, what up? What up? Waiting for your email, bro. Sent my application last week. Yeah, you'll hear back from us for sure. Yep. For sure. Got a lot of guys. Got over 500 guys in the you know, collectively that have put their info in to get mentored, and I've had to hire some people to help me go through some of it. Congrats on the leap. Thank you. Like I said, like in a month I could be streaming from under a bridge, so we'll see. But if I'm not, you can go. That Daniel motherfucker did it. If that idiot can do it, so can I. That idiot's already been doing it though. That's the thing. I would never obviously quit a job unless I knew I had the ability to pull money out of the air consistently. I've got a system and a strategy that I do that with. All right? No, I wonder's all good, T. Or maybe not. Owanda's been having troubles lately. Yeah, no, it looks like Owanda's not working for me. Bro's handsome. Pepsi's handsome. Violation flagged. Harassment and bullying. Repeated violations could get you... Bro! What did I say? Oh, I was talking about myself. I can't harass and bully myself. Wow. Wow. Fuck me. Donkey. This live contains things that are uncomfortable and has been restricted. Hey, you guys on TikTok. Actually, I'll leave it for a bit, but I might just continue on Yui. Ah, nice. Good. How long should I start learning trade before actually trading? That's good. I like how you frame that. Give yourself a couple months. Make sure you're comfortable, you know all the terminology, you understand everything. Give yourself a couple months. I'm a just island boy. Imagine Daniel in real life stream under a bridge. Yeah, I'm not waiting for a break above here. my break above level's here. But I could be waiting for something else here. So I'll be patient. I'll be patient. What's the 1 hour looking like? Rejecting up, no bottom wick. 30 minutes looking like that. Just start by Googling Jesus. Start on Google, my brother. Daniel Homeless Trades new name. Oh, man. Do you know the Plaza chord correlation with FX commodities? No, bro. You won't look back, mate? Yeah, I don't think so either. How do I know if I get accepted in the mentorship? You'll hear from us in the next couple days. Personally. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Like, it is crazy. And it's a lot of, it's like a dream of everyone. Like I always wanted to be a full-time trader. I'm sure most people do. I'm like, man, I'm fucking doing it. But I'm not thinking about it too much. I'm not like, wow, I'm actually doing the thing that I've always wanted. Because then you start to get taken back into that mindset. It's like, no, I got to stay in character. And in character, I'm this guy that this is, of course I'm doing this. I don't want to break character. Like Wes Watson says, don't break character. I don't want to break character. The only thing that keeps me in character is sticking to my habitual shit. The wake ups, the routine. And you know, you might think, oh, what break character? That sounds fake. No, break character just means the things that you do today to be the person you are now in comparison to the things that you used to do that kept you that person. So you're this new character that lives by this new standard. And if I break that character, then I go back to who I used to be. That's all. What up, NZ? They won't deliver a burrito under that bridge. Damn, you're right. Bro, so you are saying that before this, you were at work today? No, I wasn't. Do you play golf? No, I don't, but I used to a lot. I would play golf. Yeah, the 30-minute closure is obviously ideal, but a lot of the times you won't get that, so you need to confluence a higher time frame. So we took a breakout earlier with which was a W trade based on the 15 only, but it made sense on the higher time frames. Hi, can you say Tiamur, please? Tiamur. I just love what you do and how you do it. Very motivated. Love you, Carolina. You open now. Please draw something, Dan. What? The hardest thing about trading will be my full-time job. Soon as I get signed, if work mindset us key. Made no sense! Read a whole sentence that made no sense. You mean baby pips? If so, that's good. Kanye said that, did he? Mindset's the hardest part? Yes, you get to a certain level then it is a mindset game. Yeah, You get to a certain level in trading and it goes beyond you. It goes beyond you. Someone tell us what broker. Andrew, if I told you what broker I'm using, even though I'm not using one, what are you going to do with that information? Because I can tell you right now, everyone that always says, what broker do you use? If I were to say it, you won't do anything. Like, you'll be like, oh, okay, cool. Like, it's not like you're going to change your broker, sign up with a whole new broker and all that shit. It's like, you're just going to be like, oh, there's the words that came out of his mouth. Instead, you could have been like, hey, bro, I just took a loss on this because of this. Can you give me advice? Like, you could have, like, I want to help you, man. Who gives a fuck what broker I'm using? It means nothing. Wes is literally Gronk. Nah, I disagree. I can understand why people hate him, but he's helped me a lot. Just from watching his philosophy in life. But I do understand why a lot of people hate him. The Gordon Ramsay hops. Fuck me, wow. You fuck donkey. Wow. I'ma just blow my account. Yeah, so all I need is the cost of one burrito and I'll pass this challenge. I love the saying that you print a winning formula on the Wall Street Journal and people will still lose. Yeah, yes. Bro, I fumbled too many challenges and it makes me question everything. Then my strategy is not. Depends why you fumbled the challenges. That's the biggest question. If you fumbled the challenges because you got on an emotional tilt and then you started trading out of alignment with what is considered your proven strategy, then that's just a you problem. But if you genuinely show up as a disciplined trader and execute your system every day and you just still keep blowing accounts, then yeah, there's a strategy problem. Whoa! There's two things. You strat. Right? Guess what's over here? A graveyard. Of all the traders, a graveyard of all the failed traders that believed the reason that they failed was because of their strat. Refusing to accept that the reason they failed was because of them. Oh, I took a loss. Let me get back in the market and revenge trade. Oh, this is a good setup. Let me load up half of my account. Oh, it's leaving without me. Quick, press buy. And then when they end up in the graveyard after years of that, and they go, oh yeah, my strategy. Oh yeah, it was a scam. Oh yeah, I just had no time for that. No! You were faced with a problem and you couldn't fix it. And because fixing it means you have to fix yourself outside of the charts. So, you know, we can blame everything else, but at the end of the day, trading is it's just you, bro. You really got to conquer yourself in order to get to profitability. You've got to conquer yourself in order to get to profitability. You'll find you'll be trading for a couple of years and you'll be right there. You'll be right there. You're just about to bust into profitability. But it's like an invisible wall's there. You're like running into it, right? You're like, what the fuck? I can't get through this wall. And God's above it, just looking at you like, hey, motherfucker, I know you want financial freedom through trading, but guess what? Your daily habits and who you are as an individual outside of the charts is still hyper flawed. I can't give you all this power. You're just going to destroy it. You're going to be a menace. You can't have all this power. So what you need to do is go back to the drawing board, work on yourself as an individual, and then try again. You know, like whoever played Skyrim, in Skyrim, you can walk into Skyrim and you can just go straight out. I remember the first time I ever played Fallout, who's also made by Bethesda. As soon as I got into the map, I just walked out to the hardest area on the map and tried to kill like the really hard demons because I knew they had better loot. But at some point, you hit a level like in the map where it's like, bro, no matter how much you go there, you are going to die. So what happens? You have to come back to the start, play the main quest, get your skill level up as a character, and then you can take on that level. You motherfuckers are trying to skip levels, bro. You know what I mean? Damn, why are you not doing mindset seminars? We just did. Thank you for the explanation, Daniel. One trade a day keeps death away. Yeah, I like that. Every time I see profits, it feels like a fluke. I would assume that you're probably relatively new to the game or relatively new to the system that you're using. You haven't got enough data to prove to yourself like, hey, this is, of course, this trade played out type shit. Oblivion remake just came out. Man, if you weren't aggressive on a challenge account and you got, you know, it hurt you, I wouldn't stress about that, man. It's just a challenge. Like, you're obviously going aggressive because it is a challenge account, right? I like this comparison. Bro, we gotta hit, sometimes you gotta hit him with that fucking, that Skyrim comparison. You know, when we're hitting them with Skyrim comparisons and yeah, we're not fucking around anymore. Bro, what is the point when you get everything right and then it feels like it's a loop or a cycle? When you get everything right, it feels like a loop or a cycle? What do you mean? Just scan your content, love. Ah, nice. Good to have you here, brother. Glad you liked it. I don't even need your charts. Win philosophy lecture, yeah. Mentorship staff for discount. Yeah, I went through a in the mentorship. There's probably an hour of just psychology shit. I don't even trade gold. I'm just here for the mental clarity. We're a routine now. Yeah, nice. Create a class for us. Yeah, we've got a Discord. We got a free Discord, man. Anyone wants to join the free Discord, there's a link over there. Kelvin, I wouldn't stress too much. Like, you are going to probably blow it and you are going to do things. Like, don't stress too much. But yeah, take it serious and just stick to your rules and see how you go. And study, bro. Link in bio for Discord. Yes. Trying to go Super Saiyan God without going to Super Saiyan level 1 first. Yep. Exactly. Join the Discord, everyone. Yeah, you guys on YouTube, it's pinned in the chat, and you guys on TikTok, it's in the bio. Do you trade for people? No. This scene, as a full-blown adult, still gives me chills. Why can't I hear it? No, why can't I hear it? Damn. I don't know why I can't hear it. We can hear it, yeah. I would assume you can. Need to be on the hard self-charge. Oh, bro. Do you understand the build up to this scene? Do you understand what Frieza had done? And all the death and destruction it caused? Goku's doing that. He's finally reaching that level where he can with ease. Look. And then he turns around, ready? Go. Say go. I don't even need the audio. Yeah, you're fucking up. There you go.
Go
Get out of here. Yeah, I got no audio. I got chills and I didn't even hear the audio. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to constantly hit new levels of Super Saiyan over here. We can't hear you? If you're lying, bro. I should block you. If you're lying, I'm blocking you. We can't. Wow. Lies. I can. All right, I'm blocking both these people. I can't do it. I can't block you. Fuck. Yeah, that's right, Keefy. I can hear very well. Okay, sweet. How come we took that breakout trade when there was small to no wick? Good question, bro. The reason we took that is because, you know, a little bit of it was experience play. But I believe from memory, like when this did open up, it created a bit of a bottom wick. And typically that will help me. Like I'll be more interested in taking a breakout when the breakout candle has no bottom wick. If the new one opens up and creates that kind of bottom wick a little bit first, and then it retraces up, and then it flips back down and breaks that wick. But I was pretty confident in this. Like we've been moving down really aggressively, and you know, there are sometimes experience and just intuition come into play a little bit. You know, I understand. I've just made a video saying like it's a good sign to keep out of breakout trades if it does have no bottom wick. But yeah, sometimes, you know. Do you think John Jones will run from Tom? Oh, he's been running for Tom. He done been running from Tom. Where are you from? Jerusalem. No, I'm from Australia. So let's just see what happens over here. I don't know. Maybe we got the trade for the session. I want to see what happens if it can reach up to this level. This candle closes here. This is a 1 hour closure, 30-minute closure, and a 15 closure. 30 is strong. 1 hour is strong. When you come in the GC? I don't know, but if I do come to the GC, it would just be for something specific, not for anything leisure related. The Discord link isn't there? Yeah, it is. In my bio. If you're lying, I'm blocking you.
I was whacked.
You're right. You are right. You guys that want to join the Discord, I guess you have to come over to the YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. It's in the YouTube chat. Billions. How much you owned last month? Billions and billions. No, Isaac, it's not me. I'm going to YouTube now. Yeah, come over to YouTube. Full chart. You'll see it's way better. The chart's way better. ordinary. Ba-na-na-na. A lot of people are using your name. Hunt. They're going to end up in the trader's graveyard if they keep it up. You know what I mean? Here from TikTok. Ah, nice. Good to have you here on YouTube from TikTok. Sick. Make sure you guys drop a dub for the stream. Oh, I'm nearly at 100 likes. Please, please. Yeah, it's a great song. It is a great song. Come to Dubai, Habib. Yeah, I might have to move to Dubai. I might know. Dan, I've seen other streamers use 50k accounts. Any particular reason you use 100k? No, there actually isn't much of a reason, to be honest. 50k, it is a bit less in terms of like your drawdown limit, but you know, I get them for so cheap anyway, so it's like, why not? Free tax. Oh, remember that, Perry? Oh, that's so good. How does that work? Did we get to 100 likes? Yes! This is my message to the world for getting me to 100 likes. Ugh. Thank you for getting me to 100 likes. I love you. I love you. It's already dark in Queensland, yep. So what's this range? It's quite a big range, isn't it? 210 pips. Wow. Thank you, Ola Tuned. If you guys had my legs attached to yours, you'd be like, wow, you're in immense pain. But I just have to keep standing until my body gets used to it. Surely my body will get used to it, right? Isaac, bro, what are you doing with your life? Even if that was the case, what are you doing with your life? Might as well go to the casino, bro. When did trading click for you? Was it a moment or over time? It was over time. I speak about this a lot where you think like, oh, am I going to get that aha moment? And it's like, it's not even a thing. For me personally, I just kept showing up, kept trying to improve every day. And then one day I just kind of realized, oh my God, how the fuck is there 261 on TikTok and 261 on YouTube? One day I was like, what the fuck, man? I'm actually here. I'm that trader. I'm really doing it. Now it's 264 on both of them. What the fuck? Really, all you need to do is just keep showing up with the intent to get better than you were yesterday. And then one day you'll look back and be like, oh my God, I'm in that position and I am that trader that I always wanted to be. That's what will happen, bro. How many trades a day do you take? 0 to 3. 3 max. I'm here from TikTok. Nice, Angel. Good to have you here from TikTok. Sick. Drop a sub. I'll be live here every day. Inbox me if you want good signal. Okay, bro. Did you ever get a ban warning from TikTok? Yes. Lots. I won't be like showing the chart like this very regularly. It'll be very random. Usually it's just me chilling. Yeah, I don't know, guys. What do you guys reckon? We kind of got the move, I think. We kind of got the move. Bro, how do you see the pips so quick? There's like a little ruler tool over here. You just drag it. Boom. An angel came from TikTok. Dan, how are you? Have you taken trades? Yes, took a breakout trade earlier in stream. And I'm doing phenomenal. Hope you're doing well. That's right, Romeo. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I'll probably call it there, guys. We got a nice little trade earlier here. I've still got a burrito worth of money to pass this challenge, which is really annoying. Fuck, I need to pass this challenge today. I need to... Should I just impulsively press buy or sell? Let's see if I can get a burrito before I... Let's see if I can get a burrito trade before I close the stream. What's NQ doing? It's reaching this resistance level. Buy, everything buy. All right, let's have a look at MCG. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done, but it's only a burrito, right? Bro, I'm not gonna buy it, it's moving down. Do you think streaming helps you keep consistent? Yeah, that was the whole reason I started streaming, because I wanted to keep myself consistent. Because I knew people might watch, or, you know, I can't do anything crazy type shit. You need the full pot, please do it. Bro, I only need a burrito, but I'm gonna use like 1 micro. All right, what am I gonna do here? Shit. Buy now. All right, I'm gonna flip a coin. The light color on this means buy. The white one means sell. Shit, it's buy.
Order filled.
Jump scare. All right, my stop loss goes below the current wick at $14, and my take profit moves up 14 to a burrito. Come on, Mum. Mum, we might do it.
Order filled.
Yes! Alhamdulillah! Ice, ice, ice! See? Gambling works! Gambling works! Fuck! Oi, sign up for my mentorship! Oh, fuck. That's so fucking funny. God damn. Imagine people that just tuned into the stream and just seen that. I took that one too, bro. No, bro, no. All right, looks like we just got funded 100K. That's so fucking funny. Lucky the coin flipped was a buy. I took that trade too, bro. No, that was literally a fucking, you know what? I can't say the word. New strat, yeah. Yep. So anyone wants the secret indicator? Maybe it's priceless actually. Do it again. Bro, I passed the challenge. I don't need to do it again. I just got 100K funding. I'm done. Sweet. The old fucking coin flip worked out. Sign up to my mentorship. You sign up to the mentorship, it's just a photo of this. That's how I trade pretty much. Bro, that's so dumb. It's so bad. Like, it's literally not trading. Oh, that's so fucking funny. Well, there we go. At least I get to finish the stream with the 100K funding over here. Maintain your emotions, bro. Nah. Fuck it. I'm done. I'm going on tilt. Nah, I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. What a way to finish the stream. And we caught a nice professional trade earlier in the stream, but I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. All right. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'll chat to you in the Discord.